Jonathan here at TopSaw. I just got a brand new big shot, notch big shot from Tree Stuff. And I'm going to compare that to my old school one that I have here. This old one was just starting to crack. You can kind of see it on there. I don't want that tube to break and hit me in the face. So I was going to order a new tube. And I got on there and I saw the new style one. I thought I'd order that. I'm going to go over my new notch big shot line setter and compare it to my old one. This old one, I'm thinking about it, I think I got it before I got this truck, and this truck's a 06. So this thing has held up unbelievably well. One thing about my truck I do like a lot is all my climbing gears on the left here, all my cutting gears on the right, and then I keep all my pole saws in here. And one really nice thing about this new one is that it fits in here really nicely. So that's super nice. So let's go set a line with both big shots and see how they do. This is a fire prevention job. This is really common in California. The insurance company wants the canopy of the two trees separated by about 10 feet, especially over a road. So if you look up at that black oak, you can tell those leaves are almost crossing over to this California live oak. So I'm not really taking very much out. The homeowner really likes that tree. So I'm going to get up high and maybe take three of those branches that go over the drive and connect the canopies out. So first thing I'm going to shoot with, this is a new notch big shot on my Stein cube. This right here is a 14 ounce. It's kind of that heavier twine. One key safety thing is that pouch is always on the far side of the pole, so it doesn't come up and catch your chin. Never shoot it like that, always shoot it away from you. The other trick I have on this big shot is it hits whatever I'm looking at. So better than looking at the crotch I'm trying to get it through is to look right above it, and then I usually go above it. If I look right at the branch I'm trying to go over, I usually hit that branch. So I'm going to go right to the top up there, see how it goes. So that's a good shot. Let me change the head out and try it again with the old school big shot. You'll see with the really old rubber how far down I'm able to pull it because it's so worn out. I think I shot the exact same as the first one. I don't know if I noticed any difference between the two different styles. I certainly like the new one more because it's smaller and fits in my truck better. But I think as far as performance goes, they kind of shoot about the same. One thing I've been doing is leaving my ZigZag Plus on the rope. So this is the short end here, right? So there's a tail and I'm climbing that way. So I tie the other end and I pull the other end up. That way I don't have to feed the ZigZag Plus every time. Alright, so I'm pulling this way. I do have a really short rope for these small oaks, so I don't have to pull that much. And when I pull it up, right there, I'm just ready to clip. So I do have to move that ZigZag Plus up a little bit, but it's super easy, right? Because I'm using double rope technique, and this thing will just go up that way. So I do like that strategy. Here I am, here's my new Notch Sentinel harness. I love this thing. Still 200T, double rope technique. I have a foot ascender on that foot, and then my ZigZag Plus right here. This will go There it is. I'm out of the tree now. You kind of see, I guess I even have to back up more, how far away that tree is. So I'm out of the tree. There it is there. And you can see the break between the two canopies now. So that's what you want, especially over a driveway. Here's another thing that's kind of interesting, you might find interesting. Part of the reason I took that other piece off the top is it had this mistletoe in it. So this mistletoe here are the little seeds on it right there. And how that thing propagates is that a bird eats it, it goes in their digestive tracts, and they sit on a limb, and then they poop it out, and that kind of gets it started on the tree. And you can see right there how it grows right out of the tree. It's parasitic, so wherever it attaches to, all the nutrients are diverted into the mistletoe, and it ends up all the nutrients are diverted into that mistletoe, and then the limb dies on they're out. So it's a parasitic plant, and the best thing to do is cut it out if you can. So that's part of the reason why I took that top out. So again, thanks for watching. Love to hear your comments below. This is TopSaw. Hit the like button if you liked it, and hit subscribe and the bell to get notifications that I got a new video out. So it's all things wood. I teach high school wood shop and do tree work on the weekends.